Above the ribbon menu system, in the upper left corner of your screen is what's called the Quick Access Toolbar. Now it has only 3 buttons in it: a save button, an undo button, and a redo button. But we can add to it. We can put buttons up here for frequent use. For example, if we use the double underline command frequently, we can put it to the Quick Access Toolbar. We can right click and we can add to it. So we don't want to go now and there. We will save our time greatly. So you can come here and do the command in the other sheet also, and we can do the other tools in the same manner, and we can also add some from the default list, like this sorted and ascending. If we need more, we can go to more commands. We can make any command we need it frequently, like this chart. And if we have 30 choice here, if we need more, we can choose commands not in the ribbon. So we can add any command we want. And if that were not enough, there is a choice called all commands. So here there are a ton of options here, 1,000 choices available. You can add any command you want, and top down order that we see here will correspond to the left to the right order. After we select our choices, click OK, and we have here we can remove if you don't want it, and we can customize the Quick Access Toolbar also, that we can make an adjustment and click OK. If you want the original setting, we can go to customize a Quick Access Toolbar and we can reset it. Click yes. Now we have the original one it looks when we first start Excel. Can put a Quick Access Toolbar below the ribbon. If we change our mind, we can return it by right clicking. So the Quick Access Toolbar is an excellent tool.